I have the honor to serve as the Director of Cooperative Education. My team members, please, if you're around, come to the platform so that you can be seen. Our job is very clear. Professor has told you the reality of what's happening in this world. Earlier on when I came in, someone found me there and told me, Doctor, I heard that you're giving out jobs. And I said, yes, your coaches will tell you, but friends, let me rephrase, we are not giving out jobs. Our role is to prepare you, to ensure that you can place yourself in a position where you are marketable. Please get to the platform so people can see you. Some of our other colleagues are not here, but welcome to Victoria University. You've already been told some of what happens. You will go through a mandatory curriculum. Mandatory, friends, so don't come back and say, I missed this, right? For you to understand who you are as an individual, because what we want to craft at Victoria is to release a graduate who is able to understand who they are, who can be marketable, who can be of great value within their society, right? So raise up your hand if you think you're a global citizen. What about the rest? Okay, I need to tell you that if you step into Victoria University, you better be a global citizen, right? We don't want people who think that their life is supposed to be just around here. We want you to think beyond what you see and the experiences that you've had. So you'll go through a curriculum which will get you to recognize who you are as a person, what skills you require to put yourself out there, your digital presence. Often, if you can speak to students, continuing students, often when you find me in the lift, I tend to tell people about what's happening. So if I find you and you're dressed in slippers and I can see some people are dressed in slippers, I would like to believe that this is the last day you're coming here in your slippers. Every time you step out of your house, step out recognizing that an opportunity might find you. So when that opportunity comes, are you ready? Or are you that person that will be structured to get into that space, right? So you'll go through a curriculum that will teach you how to be the person that you need to be, your digital presence, understanding the values of money. Some of you have come from spaces where you've been told that money is the root cause of all evil. Friends, I like money. I don't do free things. So if you are that person who thinks money is the root cause of all evil, we are going to change that mindset because you need money for everything that you do. We'll take you through being a global citizen. What does that mean? Working with others, working in different communities. We have international students, right? How do they get to understand how to work within different cultures, culture intelligence, communication? So there's a lot more that you're going to learn. On the 30th of July, there will be an activity happening in here. Standard Chartered Bank will be with us on the 30th.